Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's cook. Naden-style red pomfret fish. Roasted in banana leaf. Smoky, spicy, and irresistibly juicy with authentic Kerala flavors in every bite. Take 1 kilogram of whole red pomfret fish, cleaned and ready. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add salt to taste. Mix the spices well and marinate the spices generously on both sides of fish, letting every inch soak up the flavor. Rest for 30 minutes so spices sink deep into the flesh. Heat a pan and pour 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Fry the marinated fish with lid closed for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides until half-cooked, juicy, and lightly crispy. Remove once half-cooked and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 big onion chopped and stir-fry. Add 2 green chilies for a fresh kick. Toss in fragrant curry leaves. Fry until the onions turns light golden brown color. For flavor-packed paste, add 50 grams of small onions in a jar. Add 20 grams of ginger. Add 20 grams of garlic. Add 1 medium-sized tomato and grind into a smooth, luscious paste with water as needed. Add the ground paste into pan and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon tamarind paste for balancing rich spices and blend beautifully. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Add half tablespoon red chili powder. Add 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add half tablespoon pepper powder. Stir well until the masala turns dark, rich, and aromatic. Add a splash of water and blend gently. Add salt to taste. Mix again until everything comes together, forming a perfectly balanced, smooth paste. Pour in 100 milliliters of thick coconut milk and stir gently until it turns into a rich, slightly thick masala, and the masala is ready. In a banana leaf, spread some masala as the base. Gently place the half-fried fish on top, like a royal treasure. Ladle the remaining masala generously over the fish, coating it with rich flavor. Add fresh curry leaves on top. Drizzle a little coconut milk on top to make it extra juicy and irresistibly rich. Close and wrap the banana leaf, sealing all the flavors inside. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Place the wrapped fish and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, both sides, letting the banana leaf infuse smoky magic. And there you have it. Naden-style red pomfret roasted in banana leaf is ready. Spicy, smoky, and absolutely irresistible. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.